morning, everybody. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mariah, aka Right Baby. I missed you guys so much, and I hope y'all doing good. If you're in this video, thank you so much for clicking on it. If you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button on your way out. So today we're going to be talking about my skincare routine and how you can get perfect skin for the spring summer seasons. Okay, so right now this is what my skin is looking like. I literally just woke up. I have some healing marks right here. This is not anything, it's just dark marks, but I'll get to that later. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can get yourself some clear skin. What I do, it's not anything like crazy, so don't worry, you can afford everything that I'm using. And I do have a little bit of tips and secrets on how to get rid of blemishes when they do appear. So if you're interested in that video, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so before you guys say anything, I know you see the Fenty right here, and this is what I've been using for like consistently for like a little bit. I don't know, I don't use it all the time. I bought this, well, I actually got it for a present, but I've had it since like the end of last year, 2020. So that can show you how like I don't really use it that often, just because, well, I haven't been using it that often when I first got it, but now I'm using it. But that's not the main focus of today's video. These are the products that I've been using for the absolute longest. Like you can see, this is gone. So these are the products. Let me show you right here. So this is the magic thing right here, the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. Now, tea tree is very, very important because it is something that is like antibacterial, and it's very cleansing for your skin. And this, you guys need this. You can find the small ones, which is what I usually buy at Ulta for like $6 or $4. It's really inexpensive. But that stuff really does a great job on your skin. Something else that I like is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. And it gives you soft skin and it helps remove makeup. So if you're a big makeup wearer, then I definitely highly recommend this. It is something that really does break down the makeup and really gets deep into your skin to clean it. And this does a really good job at keeping your skin nice and clear. If I feel like I need a little bit of like exfoliate, then I will use this St. Ives Nourished and Smooth Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. It's supposed to soften your skin and smooth away dryness. I do not use this that often. Like, I've had this for a good minute. It's still a decent amount in here. It's probably like that much left in here, but this is really good. You don't have to use this one specifically, just something that exfoliates your skin. And this is what I like to use. It is a gentle exfoliant. I don't recommend using anything that's like super harsh on your face, especially not if you're using it more than once or twice a week. And lastly, we have this Witch Hazel from Dickinson's, and it's a pore perfecting toner. So it doesn't have any fragrances. It gently cleanses and conditions your pores, and it helps you have maintain your clear, smooth, balanced skin without over drying. And I've been using it a lot, as you can see, and it definitely does do what it says. Now these are the things that I use when I'm not using the Fenty Skin. I definitely do like Rihanna's Fenty Skin. For this, I would say it makes your skin so smooth. Like, it's literally super smooth. I love the thickness of this facial wash going on your face, paired with the Fat Water, which is like her own toner. It also helps you remove makeup and breaks down anything that you may have missed when you were washing your face with the regular wash. And then of course she has the moisturizer, and I will show you guys in a second what I use when I'm using this to moisturize my face. But this is the moisturizer that she has for her skin collection. Now let me show you the secrets. So first, this is what I use sometimes. I need to buy new brushes. I got this from Amazon for like $20. You don't need any type of special Vanity Planet or anything specific facial brush, even though the Vanity Planet one is really nice. This one, like I said, was only $20. It came with it's like 7 different heads. And I just, like I said, need to get replacements because you must change these every 30 days. So, and I mostly use my hands, by the way, but you guys will see what I do in a second. I just wanted to show you all the products. This right here, you guys, is a secret ingredient to getting rid of blemishes. And now it doesn't have to be Crest 3D White. It can literally be any toothpaste. Now, I did read somewhere online that the ingredient that a lot of people use, like that a lot of companies use in their toothpaste to help get rid of acne marks, they have used less of it. It's still in the toothpaste. It's just at a lesser concentration. I'm not sure why they did that, but I have still been using toothpaste to get rid of my blemishes, and it still definitely works. This is a great blemish remover. You can put it on your any acne marks and just leave it there overnight, and they will reduce in the morning, and you will be amazed. So I will use this, but if I don't want to use the toothpaste, I will use tea tree oil. And like I said about tea tree oil, it is antibacterial, and it really does help reduce the size of your blemishes. And like you guys saw in the beginning of this video, what my those little marks that you saw where some marks had been, I've been using tea tree oil as well as the toothpaste. So sometimes I'll use the tea tree oil and sometimes I will use the toothpaste. But I got this from Amazon, and as you can see, it's pretty darn low. It's like over halfway gone, because this stuff, you only need a little. And I will show you guys in a second, like I said, how I use these items. But I just wanted to show you guys what I use first before I get straight into the skincare routine.
Okay, so first things first is you definitely want to wash your hands. If you're going to be washing your face using your hands and not like a brush or something, you definitely need to wash your hands. But even if you use a brush, still wash your hands, because that's dirty if you don't. But anyway, yeah, so I'm washing my hands before I get started with my face routine. This was the best angle that I could get. So if it's not good enough, I'm sorry, and I will keep trying to figure out like better ways to position my camera / phone. But yeah, for now this is what I got. So after you wash your hands, you know, take off your glasses if you got them, and then just wet your face. Wetting your face just, to me, helps the product to lather up better. I like when my facial cleansers are nice and lathered, even if they're not like super bubbly or anything. I just like to get lather. So I'm using about this much. It's hard to see, but it's really like a nickel size amount. And then I'm just rubbing it. I start with my cheeks, but I really, you just want to rub it in as best you can and get it all over. Now this face wash is tea tree face wash, so it's a little minty. So make sure you're definitely avoiding your eyes. But even as you're avoiding your eyes, like the smell or like the scent of the face wash still kind of like gets in your eyes. So it just be careful. You'll be a little bit sensitive, but you want to just make sure that you are getting really nicely into your skin, all over your nose, your mouth, chin, cheeks, forehead, everything. You just want to get in there really good. I like to use my hands because, to me, I don't know, I can feel like I'm getting into my skin really well. I feel like there's no real difference that I've seen using the brush versus my hands. I still like the brush sometimes when I want to exfoliate, but most of the time my hands do the trick. And this is what my skin looks like. And this is me going to work for like 8 or more hours a day wearing a mask. So I think this is pretty good. So after you rinse off your face, you want to dry your face, patting it dry with a paper towel or a very clean cloth towel. I don't like using cloth towels. I like using paper towels just because I could use it once and throw it away, and I know it's clean and that it's not any bacteria on it from like previous use or anything like that. So that's why I really like to use paper towels, and I think they really do a great job. Now I'm going in with the face toner. This is the Dickinson's face toner that I showed you guys earlier, and just a face pad or cotton pad, whatever it's called. And I take a pretty decent amount and put it onto the cotton pad, and it's like mostly soaked but not fully soaked. And then you just want to rub it all over your skin like I'm doing here, and really get it in there into all the places that you cleaned and places maybe that you missed. And then you can look and see on the cotton pad what is there to see like how much you actually miss while cleaning, or if you miss any at all. So now I'm going in with my moisturizer. I'm using the Olay Complete SPF moisturizer. It's SPF 15. I like to use this just because it works well with my skin. A lot of products don't really work that well with my skin, but this does. So use whatever works best for you. I like it because it has SPF, and like I said, it doesn't harm my skin. So I just put that all over and moisturize my skin. This is a very simple face routine, but consistency is key if you want to see the best out of your skin. So now that I have my moisturizer on, I'm going to take my tea tree face oil, and I'm just going to put that on the certain areas that I would like to treat. So some of the dark spots, or if I have active pimples or anything, I'll put it on there. So I just take my ring finger and wipe off a little bit. You really don't need a lot. Like I also said, this is tea tree, so it's very scented, so you don't want to overwhelm yourself with the smell. And you just want to put it on anywhere that you think you need to.
Alright guys, so that is my finished facial routine. Super easy, right? You guys can do it too. And it's like, people tell me all the time, like, my skin is so clear, and they're like, what do you do? And I'm like, literally nothing. Like, my routine is so simple. I don't know. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, let me know down in the comment section below. I want you guys to try it for like a week or 2 weeks or something, and just see how you like it. You know, everyone's skin is different, so I'm not saying this is a guaranteed way, but for sure, tea tree oil and toothpaste are great secret ways to get rid of blemishes overnight. All you gotta do is dab, 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 or like I just did. Today is in the morning, so today is in the morning. What? It's in the morning, so you can even apply it in the morning. I wouldn't apply the toothpaste in the morning because you don't want to walking around with toothpaste on your face unless you're in the house, so whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.